I go to Dubai college because I live in the UAE, and I've been coding for quite a long time, maybe 5 or 6 years. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Diwali website, but it won't be a website, it will be an e-greeting. I'm using Visual Studio Code that it can work for many languages like Python, HTML, JavaScript, no matter what you want. First, what I'm going to do, in the head section, I'm going to link this file, the CS file, by the link tags. I'll make it opening because it's the opening web page. H1, it's the biggest heading you can get. Just for styling it inside the HTML. I'll make it aligned center so it looks nice. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Now I'll actually go into CSS to style it. So now as you can see, the image has fully come. It's a big image. The font is still there, and now the button has also changed.